Hello and welcome to another video from Let's Drink Tea. Today we're going to brew Genmaicha, which is a Japanese green tea, but it has added roasted rice kernels in it. So it's actually often called popcorn tea because the rice kernels sometimes pop when they're roasting. Because of that, it has a unique flavor, and it actually makes it a bit easier to brew than other Japanese teas too. It's a little more forgiving. So in order to brew it, the instructions on the back say 85 degrees, 2 to 3 minutes. They don't really say much about an amount, but oh yeah, it does. It says 5 grams for 25 centiliters of water. Yeah, I'm just going to go with the general instructions for Genmaicha, which you can find on the Let's Drink Tea site, which is basically 1 teaspoon per cup of water. And this pot holds 20 ounces. A cup is about 4 to 5 ounces, so we'll use about 5 teaspoons of this tea. I'm not sure if you can see it here, but you can see those little brown rice kernels in there, and then the green tea leaves. This one is made with sencha. Some of them are made with a lower quality green tea, like maybe a bancha or even a hojicha or something. I think there are also ones made with gyokuro, much higher quality tea, but this is kind of the standard one. Good quality, and yeah, I've tried it once before. I just bought this not too long ago, and I really like it. So yeah, it's a good one. Here we go. Let me see if I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, see some of those little orange rice kernels there. Okay, take a look at that. Looks good to me. Okay. Alright, there we go. And then for water, like I said on the package, it says 85 degrees. The general instructions for Genmaicha are 80 to 85, just like other green teas, which is like 176 to 185 Fahrenheit. Okay. And then the instructions say to brew it for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm definitely not going to do it that long. I did it the other day, and I saw that it was ready before that. At least it was where I want it before that, so I'll probably be closer to 1 minute. But again, that's a matter of personal taste and just experimenting. So usually when I first get the tea, I might go closer to the actual recommendations. Because I have the glass teapot, I can see what the tea looks like in there, and that allows me to just stop steeping it when it looks the way I want it to look. This is actually the first time I've ever bought Genmaicha, so I didn't really even know what it's supposed to look like, but I just kind of made a guess last time and stopped it steeping, and I liked how it tastes, so I'll do about that again, that color. And it's getting close to there. It's kind of this kind of a pale green yellow color. I'm going to let it get a little bit darker than this, kind of get a little more color in there, and then I'll stop it. But that's basically, I think, what Genmaicha should look like. And it had a fairly strong taste already last time when I tried it. That roasted rice really does alter the flavor a lot. I'm guessing some people might not like the flavor of it. I kind of do, but I do prefer just a regular green tea. I can already smell it. You can really smell that rice when it's steeping, once the hot water hits it. It's a very strong smell. It smells good, but yeah, you can definitely smell it. Okay, I think we're about done there. Yeah. I don't think it has been even a minute, maybe about a minute. Like I said, I never actually time the time. I just kind of go by look there. And then, if this were the first time and I had it look like this and I thought it needed more flavor, I would brew it longer next time and maybe also use more leaves. If it was too strong for my taste, then I'd do the opposite. Just shorten the steeping time and use fewer leaves. Alright, there we go. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.